Good morning. I am Chandrawati Rao. I am an administrator in a senior citizen home called Ashraya. It is situated at the Nehru East, close to Ashraya Centurion Mall. We have completed about 13 years and we have got about 45 residents in our senior citizen home. And one of them is Ganapathy, who is 95-year-old, and lately he had a fracture and we brought him to Apollo. And looking at his age, the doctor said the operation is quite risky. But anyway, otherwise he has to be on the bed the rest of his life. So that is why his family decided better to go for the operation. We were very happy to know that in Apollo we got a good treatment and everybody so cooperative, even in this COVID era. And all the doctors cooperated very well. And by the grace of God, for a 95-year-old man, the hip bone fracture operation was very successful. After that, he also had undergone COVID test and found negative. He was there in the hospital only for 1 week time, and he was able to walk with a walker. And the quick recovery is really very appreciable. And on the 7th day of the operation, they discharged him, and after going to our Ashraya back, he was doing quite well. And he was able to walk with the help of an attender for about 1-2 rounds every day. I am very grateful to Apollo people because we never expected a 90-year-old man getting operated the bone fracture and getting cured so fast. And I am very grateful to the doctors here. The doctor who has taken the risky job is Dr. Siddhart Yadav. Actually, it was really difficult. He gave only about 40% of this thing hope, but by the grace of God or doctor's skill, it has happened so well that the old man of 95 years recovered very fast, and the operation was successful. It is a very good, happy news for his family members as well as for all those who are in Ashraya. And we have taken the risk of operation and it became a successful one. Thank you very much.